So dear everyone, so this is Michael Fanji from Huawei solution team, responsible for the global sales. So today, I'm very happy to share 3 points to you about Huawei storage. First is that we want to share with you what is Huawei market progress. So what is our footprint in our supporting industry so far? Second is that we'd like to share what's the market recognition and from third party's point of view about Huawei solutions, right? The third one, I also would like to share with you what's our driven for our key continuously innovation global-wise. So how can we keep ourselves innovative in the market with our customers and partners? So first, I would like to show that, in the past few years, right, Huawei is from a niche player in the storage market, and until next year, we are top 3 vendor in the global wise based on the Gartner report. So you can see it's a stable growth with 24% growth rate. Especially in the past 3 years, it's difficult all over the world. Pandemic issue, right? Trading issues, logistic issues, right? But still, we keep more than 20% growth, steady growth, global-wise. If we look at the third-party report from Gartner, we are in the Gartner leader quadrant for the past 6 years. Just 10 years ago, Huawei is still a niche player in the storage field. But nowadays, we are in the leader quadrant, keep leading in the storage innovation. And if we look at the latest report of the Voice of Customer, which is also issued by the Gartner. So all this information, the scores, right, is getting from the direct customer, key customers, right? And you can see our scoring for our Pacific storage, right, is 4.9, which is the highest score in the Gartner customer choice. So this also shows the customer and the partner recognition of our technology. So if global-wise we take a look, right, we are serving 18,000 customers global-wise, and it is spreading to all industries like finance industry, oil and gas, manufacturers, power facilities, ISPs, etc., etc. And among the top 100 banks around the world, 48 of them is already our customers and partners. Around the top 20 oil and gas companies, right, 15 of them is already our customers. So you can see we get a very strong recognition from our customers. So maybe you would ask why? Why customer choose Huawei? Why customer choose Huawei storage, right? What's the reason? So that's because our value is that, we are customer-centric. We focus on customer needs, right? And we keep innovation. So how can we do that? First is our continuous R&D investment. In the past 10 years, right, Huawei invested on the R&D of storage. We have 12 R&D centers global-wise from China, but not only in China. We also have R&D centers in India, in South America, in North America, in Europe, in Israel. So we have 12 R&D centers global-wise. We use global talents to develop together. And we have 3,000 plus patents, 4,000 plus R&D engineers. And we also have a methodology of two-wheel drive for the innovation. One is technical drive, and the other one is customer drive. So what is technical drive? Is that we use the latest technology or future technology to enhance our system. Second is what is customer needs? We built the system also based on our customers' needs. So with this two-wheel driven, right? So we keep our product innovative, but also comply to the customer demands and the market demands. And also for our services, right? we are also using a lot of tools like Smart IDC, Migration Director. This help us to support the customer, right, in more automatic way. Yeah. And also, we are one of the few vendors we can support the customer doing any migration and service upgrade without service interruption. So here, I also would like to share what's our total overview of the data center. We believe in the future, it should be all-flash data center. And we issued flash-to-flash to anything architecture to the industry. Why we mention this? This is compared to an older methodology. It's D to D to T, disk to tape. But our version is flash to anything. That means the primary storage, we saw strong trend is that it's all based on all flash now, and also is flash native. The backup storage originally is based on disk, right? Nowadays, we also think the flash is the future. Why? Because on the backup storage, normally when you need to use the backup data, means that normally there's something serious happened, right? You need to retrieve the data. When you are retrieving the data, right, the recovery speed is the key. So for Huawei backup storage, we have 5 times faster recovery speed than the industry. And the last X is archiving media for long time retention of the data, right? So this one originally is on the tape, but the tape, is it tape safe? Actually, it is not. Because the tape itself, when you are doing the transportation of the tape, right, normally it also has physical loss. So we put the data for archiving on object storage or on the cloud. We think this could be the future for long-term data retention. And if we look at the innovation together with the partners, is also very key. So for Huawei, we are closely working with all the customers, from ISVs to the channel partners, to et cetera. For example, Huawei is working with called Engine. So this one is a gene software company in China, and we together help the end customer is Huaxi Hospital, one of the topest hospital in China. And we achieved that the DNA check for a single person, right, we reduced from 24 hours to 7 minutes. So that makes this technology, right, is affordable. It's really affordable to the end users. Originally 24 hours, the whole hospital, the 24 hours only make the DNA check for one person. But now, this is shortened to 7 minutes. Also, for example, another partner is called KF Bill. So this one is also a healthcare partner. We are working together to help the customers, the hospital customers, to do the X-ray check, PACS systems. So originally, if the hospital want to do the digital check of the pictures, X-rays, right, per second, it is 12 images. That also means that in the whole hospital, only 12 doctors can check the pictures, right, at the same time. So it is really a bottleneck. And we together help to build a system with the partner software plus our Pacific storage and shorten the latency and the time, right? In 1 second, we can support 1,000 images. That means 1,000 doctors can work at the same time in parallel. The last one with Rancher is that we help the customer to build a container-based hypermetro cluster. Because in the container nowadays is becoming a very hot topic, right? But one concern is that compared to the traditional virtual cluster, right, the VMware cluster, the container is very flexible, but the bottleneck is reliability, right? We help the partners and customers, right, to increase the reliability to 24/7, real time. So we're working with a lot of partners, not listed to only these three. So we are also open to working with more partners and customers to do the innovation together. So from the service part, we are also trying to do the service better for our partners and customers. So we have the Elite Club quarterly, to have our core partners, right, to working together and learning together. We have training program together. We also have the marketing road shows with our partners. We also have the fast track to support our partners, customers to get the solutions in time. Actually, last year is very difficult for the IT. We saw a customer, they issued a PO to another vendor at March last year, but till November last year, they still didn't get the device. So that's a big challenge to them. And then they come to Huawei and ask whether you can provide me the solution in time. After we check, we said, it's okay. We will provide you within 1 month. So that shows a great logistic management capability for Huawei. So here we also can commit to globalize our partners and customers. All Huawei storage solutions we can provide you within 4 to 6 weeks, even in a challenging time. And also we are using a lot. We are sharing our open lab, hands-on lab, and service cloud to our partners. So we believe we can work better with our partners to serve our customers. So in the end page, I want to emphasize again. So we keep our innovation and driving the value to our customers and partners. Thank you.